Okay, so here's going to be the unboxing for the Nokia 6.1. Very, very nice box that it comes in. Nice quality experience. I know I'm not supposed to do this on a video, but there's your main specs if you want to pause and check a look at that. So here we go, opening it for the first time. A little slide out drawer here. Okay, it's very thin. It's a black machined aluminum body. I know that Nokia has videos on machining these out of a solid block of aluminum online. It's kind of nice. We'll put that here. And we get our SIM extractor there. A little getting started guide that nobody needs. And then we will have our power cord here. Okay, so that's nice. And I assume, oh yes, there we go. There's the rest of it. And I believe this is a USB-C, if I remember my specs correctly. Oh no. Yes. Yeah, it's USB-C on the phone side, but it is a normal USB on this side. So let's get started and plug that in. So plugging it in immediately brings up, makes the device active. So while that's kind of coming up, okay, there we go. So it looks like there's about 50% of the batteries there at the time of receiving it. And we can put these back. So what I'm going to do now is to, after having put that back in there, is to peel off the backing here. It's a little bit difficult doing one-handed. So I'm going to pause you again. So we've got the plastic peeled off. I'll just give you a quick look at how nice this looks. It feels so wonderful in the hand. It's definitely a premium build for a Nexus priced phone. So let's try to turn it on. We see that we have the volume controls here, and below that is obviously the power control. You have your headphone jack up on top. We can see our front-facing camera, our rear-facing camera and flash. We can see a fingerprint sensor. And that's about it. So let's turn this on and see what we get now. Long press. I'm going to pause you while we wait. I always like to bring up my phone without the SIM card when I start. Just take one thing one step at a time. I'm going to set this up as a new phone. And I'm going to connect to some networks here. So we're going to connect now with the network. And we see the normal Android process starting to take over. And I'm going to sign in now with my Google account.